Welcome to our latest video. This room delivers the highest return on renovation. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen upgrades and exploring how strategic renovations can significantly enhance your home's value. From the rising trend of open concept designs to smart technology integration, we'll break down the key features that make kitchens the ultimate space for return on investment. Join us as we unveil the most effective upgrades that buyers are looking for and discover how to transform your kitchen into an attractive asset. 1. Kitchen upgrades lead the pack in ROI. A 2024 Remodeling Magazine Cost vs. Value report reveals that kitchen renovations consistently provide the highest return on investment, ROI, among all home improvement projects. Minor kitchen remodels in the U.S. now average an 86% ROI, a significant increase from 78% just 3 years ago. In major metro areas, such as Dallas and Atlanta, ROI for kitchen upgrades can soar even higher, up to 93%, due to increased buyer demand for modern, functional cooking spaces. The National Association of Realtors, NAR, reports that 74% of real estate agents rank the kitchen as the most important room influencing a buyer's decision. According to Zillow's 2025 Home Trends study, homes with recently renovated kitchens sell for an average of $26,000 more than similar homes without upgrades. Features like quartz countertops, energy-efficient appliances, and open layouts are especially sought after. Homebuyers surveyed by Redfin in March 2025 ranked a renovated kitchen as their top priority, above all other home features. 2. Open concept kitchens dominate buyer wish list. A 2024 House survey found that 61% of homeowners prefer open concept kitchens, citing the desire for social connection and improved natural light. Real estate listing analytics from Realtor.com in early 2025 revealed that properties advertising open kitchen layouts received 19% more listing views and sold 13 days faster on average. HGTV host Jasmine Roth notes that buyers consistently pay a premium for homes with kitchens that flow seamlessly into living or dining areas. The American Institute of Architects 2024 Home Design Trends Survey reported a 32% increase over the past 2 years in requests for wall removal between kitchens and living spaces. In major housing markets such as Seattle and Miami, open concept kitchens have added up to 8% to closing prices for mid-range homes, according to regional MLS data. The popularity of open layouts reflects a shift toward multifunctional spaces, particularly among young families and remote workers. 3. Smart kitchen technology boosts value. The integration of smart technology into kitchens has become a major selling point in 2025. A Consumer Technology Association report released in February 2025 found that 46% of homebuyers aged 25 to 44 consider smart kitchen features, like Wi-Fi-enabled ovens and voice-activated faucets, to be essential. Data from Coldwell Banker shows that homes with smart kitchen appliances sell for 11% more on average. Smart refrigerators, which now account for 37% of new appliance sales according to Appliance Industry News, are especially prized for their energy efficiency and convenience. The National Kitchen and Bath Association, (INCBA), predicts the smart kitchen market will grow by 28% in 2025, outpacing all other smart home segments. Properties with pre-installed smart kitchen tech have spent 21% fewer days on market, based on Redfin's April 2025 analysis of over 50 U.S. cities. 4. Energy-efficient appliances are a top-selling feature. Energy Star's 2025 Home Improvement Outlook highlights that 68% of buyers now specifically look for energy-efficient kitchen appliances, driven by both environmental concerns and rising utility costs. According to the 2024 NAR Remodeling Impact Report, upgrading to Energy Star certified appliances yields a 78% average cost recovery at resale. In California, where energy costs are among the highest in the nation, homes featuring new energy-efficient kitchen suites sold for $17,500 more on average during Q1 2025. Whirlpool and Samsung both reported double-digit growth in eco-friendly appliance sales in the first half of 2025, reflecting strong consumer demand. The Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, noted that households switching to energy-efficient kitchen appliances in 2024-2025 saved an average of $320 annually on utility bills. These savings are often highlighted in real estate listings to attract eco-conscious buyers. 5. Quartz countertops set the standard. Market research from the Fredonia Group in January 2025 shows that quartz countertops have overtaken granite as the most popular choice for kitchen remodels, accounting for 52% of all new installations. Zillow's 2025 Home Features That Sell study found that listings mentioning quartz countertops sold for 6% above asking price on average. Kitchens with quartz surfaces are perceived as more modern and hygienic, according to a March 2025 survey by the National Kitchen and Bath Association. Home Depot reported a 21% year-over-year increase in quartz countertop sales nationwide, with especially strong growth in the Midwest. The durability and low maintenance of quartz are commonly cited as key reasons for its popularity, with 82% of surveyed homeowners ranking it as their top countertop material. Real estate agents often advise clients to invest in quartz upgrades to maximize resale potential. 6. Cabinet refacing offers high return. A 2024 Remodeling Impact Report from NAR details that cabinet refacing delivers a surprising ROI of 78%, nearly matching that of full cabinet replacement at a fraction of the cost. In 2025, the average cost to reface kitchen cabinets is $8,200, compared to $17,500 for a total replacement, according to HomeAdvisor's latest data. Cabinet refacing projects are typically completed in less than a week, appealing to sellers looking for quick, high-impact updates. Lowe's reported a 27% increase in cabinet refacing kit sales in early 2025, as homeowners seek budget-friendly ways to modernize their kitchens. Real estate agents in high-demand markets, including Boston and Austin, report that homes with freshly refaced cabinets attract more offers and higher list-to-sale ratios. The trend is particularly popular among younger homeowners seeking sustainability through upcycling existing materials. 7. Lighting enhancements make a difference. According to the U.S. Department of Energy's 2025 Residential Lighting Survey, 75% of buyers rate updated kitchen lighting as very important when considering a home. LED under-cabinet lighting and statement pendant fixtures are especially popular, with sales of LED kitchen lighting growing by 31% in 2024, per Statista. Realtor.com found that homes featuring designer kitchen lighting in their listings sold 11 days faster on average in Q1 2025. The National Association of Home Builders, NAHB, reported that 62% of new kitchen remodels now include smart dimmer switches or app-controlled lighting, a 19% increase over the previous year. Improved lighting not only enhances aesthetics but also increases perceived space and functionality, key factors driving faster sales. Designers emphasize that lighting is one of the least expensive upgrades with the highest visual impact. 8. Modern backsplashes attract attention. A 2025 U.S. home design report from House found that 58% of kitchen remodelers chose to update their backsplashes, making it one of the most common upgrades after cabinetry and countertops. Subway tile remains the top choice, but bold patterns and mixed materials are on the rise, according to Tile Council of North America's 2024 Trend Update. Redfin's Q1 2025 analysis showed that homes featuring custom tile backsplash in their descriptions closed 9% above list price on average. Lowe's reported a 34% increase in sales of peel and stick backsplash products, reflecting a trend toward DIY-friendly, affordable updates. Design experts note that backsplashes serve as a focal point and can quickly modernize an outdated kitchen, appealing to younger buyers in particular. Homeowners investing in glass or porcelain backsplashes have seen the highest ROI, especially in urban markets. 9. Pantry storage solutions add practical value. The National Association of Home Builders 2025 Home Features Survey reveals that walk-in pantries are a must-have for 84% of homebuyers purchasing family homes. Data from the Container Store shows that sales of custom pantry organization systems jumped 29% in 2024, a trend driven by increased interest in home cooking and meal prep. Realtor.com listings mentioning walk-in pantry received 17% more views and sold for an average of $12,800 more in early 2025. The Home Edit, a popular organization brand, reported a 42% increase in kitchen storage consultations over the past year, reflecting the rising demand for functional storage. Builders are responding by including larger pantries in new construction, particularly in suburban markets. Homeowners who add or upgrade pantries during renovations often cite improved daily convenience and better resale prospects. 10. Neutral color palettes remain timeless. A 2024 Zillow paint color analysis found that kitchens painted in soft neutrals, such as warm whites, greige, and pale taupe, sold for an average of $3,500 more than those with bolder hues. Sherwin-Williams's 2025 color forecast identified alabaster and accessible beige as the top kitchen paint choices among both remodelers and new home builders. The National Kitchen and Bath Association's February 2025 Trends Report stated that 68% of professional designers recommend neutral color schemes to maximize appeal to a broad range of buyers. In hot housing markets like Phoenix and Charlotte, homes with neutral-toned kitchens spent 18% less time on market, according to local MLS data. Paint retailer Benjamin Moore noted a 24% increase in sales of their classic neutrals line in early 2025, driven by the continued popularity of timeless, versatile looks. Neutral kitchens help buyers envision their own style, making them a safe and profitable choice for renovators.